Welcome to the night point. So in this video, we are going to learn something related to agile estimation. What exactly story points are, t-shirt sizes, so we can say it's estimation techniques or something, and how we are working with the calculation with the days or hours. Okay, let's go ahead and see the estimations of the user stories. Okay, so what is story point? A story point is an abstraction measures of effort required to implement a user story. In simple terms, we can say it is a number of the tells the team about the difficulty level of the story. Difficulty could be related to complexities, risk, and efforts involved. Sometimes it's not risky, complexity also less, but efforts will be much required. So we are creating the story point, estimating the story points on the basis of these three: risk, complexity, and the efforts. The story point sizing is done considering the amount of work to do, the complexity of the work, the risk or uncertainty in doing that work, and the time or the duration. Okay, how much time we are required for that. Okay, yeah. So we are having some Fibonacci series, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13, and so many. So we are using these estimation points while creating and estimating our user stories. Okay, we are using this series 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Maximum actually in practical we are using till 8, not much and more than that. Okay, yeah. So here one planning poker technique I am going to share with you, that is planning poker is also called the scrum poker, is a consensus based gamified techniques for the estimation, mostly used to estimate effort or the relative size of the development goals in the software development. Just put the planning poker on the Google search, you can get the site where you can go ahead and with the planning poker website, where you can add your developers, means team members, and start estimating. Okay, yeah, just try it out. So analyze all the user stories and identify the base or a reference stories. It is important for the doing relative sizing. Okay, pick another story from the current product backlog, discuss and clarify with the help of product owner. Okay, make a list of things to be taken care while implementing the user stories: design, coding, unit testing, integration testing, acceptance testing, and the expertise. Okay, so we are going to think about all the story, calculating the story points in the on the basis of these list. Okay, if we are giving one story point for the design, one coding, unit testing, integration, then it's estimating totally. Okay, and putting that the actual number. Do relative sizing for the stories selected. Okay, you can see here the algorithm for that. The you can say it's a all requirement estimated, means this schedule the poker planning session with the team first. Each estimator open up their deck of the cards. If you can click on that, you will see what card you have selected. Okay, yeah, the facilitator gives overview of the requirement. If all requirement estimated, no, then he will means product owner will give the overview of the requirement. Okay, if yes, then we are going to start the sprint. If estimators provide estimate by show of the cards once it's reach lowest and higher estimation provide just justification, means example I am saying, if we are having 5 team members, okay, in a team, and we are having estimation story points selected by 2 members by story points 2, and 3 members are selecting story point 3, then we are going ahead with the majority offer. If two people are taking the card of 2 story point, 2 members are taking 3 story point, and 1 member is taking 1 story point, right? Then we are going to again refine it. Means facilitator gives overview again of the requirement. We are thinking, clarify the doubts, and again we are going to estimate so that we can get the majority. Okay, till that loop will continue and that meeting. Okay, it's almost we are having the sprint planning meeting, sorry, the PI, that is product increment meeting, in the safe model for 2 days. In that time, we are going to do that estimation of the story points. Okay, for all the user stories in the product backlog. Correct? Yeah. So this is all about the story points. Okay. If you are having any concern issues, just put the comment. And if you are having any thoughts, any details, you can share so that we can also gain the knowledge and go ahead. Then you can share in the comment. Just okay. Thank you.